As you can see, we're on M&Q here. We already have a pre-market high marked up at 4:15 to 9:30 is our pre-markets. Then we have our pre-market low marked up around 7:10 a.m. We already have our 5-minute candle that opened. On a regular time scale, we're just in between BOS to change of character, because essentially it's already in the uptrend. If it was continuing, it would be a BOS, and if it breaks this red change of character, it would be a reversal trend. Best part about being a momentum trader is, well, we get the best of both worlds. Okay, there goes a 5-minute candle closing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now we can go over to the 1-minute. Seems like we had a retest on that change of character, right? And now we have a break. Let's see what happens. Anything between this is all noise. It's just noise. We don't trade noise. There goes some bullish momentum there. Let's get a breaking close above this BOS for a continuation going up. And we also have over here on the 15-minute, we have a trend validation. So it's kind of letting us know that it's definitely going up. On an hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, a 15-minute, it gives us, and on the 5-minute, it gives us a nice little slope going up there. So let's see what happens. And it looks like we got a rejection off of this fair value gap here. Now we're waiting for a break or close below that gap. There goes the break below the gap. This is another trade that I just saw. I just caught another way to trade. See that we got a breakdown, then we had retest, and now we having a break. I'm hoping to catch this break, retest, break. You never know until you know. So I'm happy I didn't get in. Let's see what happens. Seems like we need consolidation here. Yeah, we're in consolidation here. Let's see how it plays out. I'll probably be getting off around, who knows. Gotta slide up to Miami soon. So hopefully we get a nice trade before. Hey, every day is not a trading day. But I do constantly see higher highs, higher lows. I was to break this up for y'all. Goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's the trend right there. If I was to put this on there, look how it's starting to break trend. Anything is an indicator. These candles are indicators, y'all. Don't take them too serious. Lagging indicator at that. just noise. It's just noise, man. Looks like we finally getting some bullish momentum going here. I like to say finally. But it's not about who can make the most money. It's about who can sit on their hands and wait for times like this. There goes that break above. It looks like we're gonna get an extreme retest here. This is gonna be a really good trade. You came from being born to being something actually worthwhile, huh? So now we got our displacement going here. And now we're looking for a retest somewhere. And then we'll be looking for it to go right back up for the upside. $15 also in alignment over here, so that's good. Just waiting for a retest now. No retest, no entry, my friend. Here goes that retest. We also have a gap here. So if we do get a break back above that gap, I will enter. There it goes. And once again, anything that's in between our take profit and our stop loss is noise. So this is all noise right now. And I'm not finished. All the way down here. It's all noise. know how it goes. We like to take profits at the wick above our green, and of course we like to stop our losses at the candle close below red. Simple, boring, but very consistent strategy. It looks like we're getting an even stronger retest here. And even then, it doesn't look like we're getting a close below this gap until that happened. Now we do have a close below the gap. Still no close below the 5-minute high. I might even enter again here, go up in size, and if we get a strong rejection like we're getting here, let's wait for a bullish confirmation here. Here it is. We're getting more stronger sizing now. Let's start taking it up to the upside. When we get this break and close above that gap, we'll definitely start printing. But I don't predict. Everything right now is noise. Especially here. Now when it starts to interact around our pre-market level and our breaker structure level, it's a different type of noise. It's worth paying attention to the candles. As you see right here, we have a bullish engulfing, and we also have a hammer. Really strong entry. You can't really predict the bottom. You can't predict the top. You just gotta get in where you fit in, man. That's why I bought an extra, and just let it trend up. I still like to take full profits at the TP on the wick. I don't like to cut my winners too short. I cut my losses quick. I cut my winners quick too, but that's when I get a wick out. Not just because I'm up 13 right now. 20-minute trade. I entered at 47. It's 53. 6 minutes so far. Yes, it's a good trade so far. Let's see what happens though. Let's see what happens. And there goes that real bull flag now. That's a full bull flag now. Boom, boom. Perfect entry. This is an A plus setup here. That's an A plus setup. Let's let it play out. We have another gap right here. As long as we don't get a close below that gap, good. I'm looking for a really strong rejection here. Looks like it's playing down to the downside now. We're still going through noise right now. This is a very bullish candle here. It's not always about the color, it's about how it opens and how it closes. You had the sellers buy, sell, bring it all the way down here. And now you got the buyers pushing it all the way back above. And look at that. It still didn't even close below that gap. It looks like we're going to the uptrend now, to the upside. Definitely in some type of consolidation here. I truly understand why most people, a lot of people don't trade. It's shit. It can be a lot, but when you have a system, a predictable system, you just kind of know what's gonna happen, what's going on. It takes away all the guesswork. You just let the trade work out for you. It's preset that if it goes down, I'm stopping out at the candle that closes below the red. And if it goes up, I'm taking profit at the wick that wicks above the green. And it's that simple. Nothing else to it. This looks like a very bullish candle here. Obviously, my bias is for it to be bullish if I'm enter for it to go up. But emotions won't take over if it does go down. That's the point. Now we got that break below. Looking to get stopped out on the candle that closes below that red. Why? Well, because when you let it close below, you go all the way through with probabilities. For me personally, when I get out of a trade, and my candle didn't close below my red, I always regret it. So I'm willing to just take that L because overall, this is my stop loss ish, losing 3, and this is my take profit, making something over 4. So I mean, it evens out for me. It's worth the risk. You gotta have a gut though. Definitely just seems like we're in consolidation here though. When it start moving like this, I ain't gonna lie, I be hoping it gets stopped out. Cause this shit just start getting boring. It's already boring, but it's like now you just waiting, just sitting there, nothing going on. Yeah. Looks like we got that retest on that trend line over here on the 15-minute. Looks like it's gonna start moving up a little more now. Let's see what happens. If we get a close back above this BOS, that'd be good too. There it goes. Looks like we're about to start printing up to the upside now, y'all. learned that we no longer will be trading a 15-minute consolidation on our consolidation, even on a goddamn 4-hour consolidation. It's gonna always be choppy like this. I call this the chop shop, cause you're gonna get chopped up for sure. You don't know what you're throwing out there in the trenches. You're gonna get chopped up. And I'm getting chopped up right now. Good upside potential here. Now we gotta use that 84% rule. That we're in the trade still, but I still would like it to break back above how it is and come back and retest, then continue going up. That's what I'm looking for. There's the retest right here. And also fake out. A lot of people just got shook out right there. This is really important price action to look at just because of the level that it's on. I see like we're getting a rejection off of this 5-minute high. So it goes a retest to that level. Now we're about to start printing for sure. It's over now. Really bold statement, but it's over now. It's over with. They got a retest. We up now. Let's go. $35 minutes into this video. Decent. There it goes. Now we're about to have a lot of impulsive candles right here. This is also going to get people stopped out where, you know what they do? Cut their profits early. It's still noise. This is definitely noise now. We're not by no pre-market high or BOS level. We're not by no key level right now. We're just moving. I pay attention to this part the least. Now it's breaking that order block. This is a decent level right here too. Waiting for it. break out of this order block, that's going to give us an even bigger momentum, bigger push. Might even fake us out again, but it is gapping up now. Might fake us out right here though. And get that fair value gap there, but I like this gap up. Looks like we'd rather just cut straight through. No double top formed. This is a continuation and a break of structure. So, just like it's a break of structure right here, well, this would be a break of structure right here. When we get a candle closed above this, it would be our next break of structure. As in continuation. There goes the retest there on that order block. When we get a break above that break of structure line, it will be a validated break of structure. If I was to move it over a little more, there we go. It's a good trade here. Looking to break out of this double top for the upside. Since we are bulls right now, okay, there goes that break and close. Definitely looking for some type of retest here for the upside. Pay attention to how price reacts off of this pre-market high level. There goes that rejection. Looks like we might get that retest now. Retest and bounce here. Still printing. We got an even 2R multiple, 2-to-1 there. There goes a break above that pre-market high. We didn't get a retest there on that gap, on that not gap, but that order block. So we're looking to get a retest at least on this pre-market high, at least. Good trade here, good trade here. We don't cut our losses. We don't cut our winners short. This is still noise right here. This is a key level. This isn't noise. But look at that. There goes that potential retest. Just looking for buyers to keep that candle above the pre-market high. And there goes that retest. Very bullish candle. 5 seconds left on the candle. We're probably going to get wicked out on this next candle. It's kind of like the retest is like absorbing. It's like absorbing more power, more volume, more money, right? To keep going up. Good trade even here on the 15-minute. We're on a really bullish candle now. Like that's a really bullish candle there. So Let's keep printing. Don't get greedy here. Don't get fearful here. Let the trade play out. Trust the probabilities. Just looking literally for a wick. Just one wick to close above and we out. To just hit, not even close. Just looking to get wicked out. Really good trade here. Alright. I'm gonna get wicked out here. It's a little scary now. Been up this high. It's like, damn, I should just take profit. But it's like, when you just let your probabilities play out, the extra 500 don't mean much. But it's like, man, when you let that boy play out, it makes you feel good because you stuck to your rules. If that's the case, I could have got stopped out right here. I would have just stopped myself out when it came this close to my stop loss. So why would I take profit? Because it's that close to my take profit. No greed. We're on the 2 to 1. 2 to 1 to be exact. Now we about to get that wick out above, and we'll be out. Gonna get wicked out here, it looks like. Literally just looking for a wick and the gold box. That's it. We get that, we out. TP on the wick. Why does it seem like I'm predicting what's happening? Because I've seen this happen so many times. Because I trade the exact same way every single time. And there goes that wick. We're out. Took $4 there. Good fucking trade. Got in at fucking what? 9:47. We got out at 10:19. That's 13 minutes. 13 minutes times. That's 30. 33 minutes. So that was a 32-minute trade because it's 19. Good trade. Really good trade. We out.